Hey, I'm Matt Holmes, co-founder at CoBuy. After 49,000 hours helping thousands of people co-buy together, here's the truth. Most co-buyers fail. Why? 5 moving parts: social, financial, legal, operational, and risk. One mismatch and friendships, family ties, a $600,000 home investment can implode. Your agent can't fix this, your lender won't touch it, and lawyers charge $10,000 or more, yet still miss the dynamics. Co-ownerOS fixes that. It's more than a contract tool. A guided flow turns rough ideas into a clear shared plan before you spend a dollar. Create a living co-ownership agreement and a supporting memorandum of agreement in about 45 minutes. One secure dashboard for decisions, money, and every key document. Update anything, anytime as life changes. No 10K rewrite. This approach is working. We've been featured by Wall Street Journal, Forbes, Time, and the New York Times. After helping thousands of co-buyers become homeowners since 2016, Co-ownerOS is live, and it's ready for your group. Here's your opportunity to grab your Co-ownerOS Annual Pass. $400 covers your entire group of up to 4 people for 12 months, whether you're looking to co-buy or you already co-own. Align, create agreements, and digitally sign to execute your docs anytime from anywhere. Update with a few taps as life evolves. Compare that to 10K upfront in legal fees, compromised relationships, and strained finances. Why wing it? Grab your annual pass and take control.